Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you all how to insert a cover page, a blank page and a page break within Microsoft Word. And in order to do so, I have just pasted some content on my Word document and kept it ready so that we can go ahead and understand this. So let's get started. Firstly, I just have some content over here, which is basically regarding some topic, which is basics of programming, and this is the title and this is the subtitle, and these are the topics. This is the topic one, and this is the first subtopic under topic one, second subtopic under topic one. Similarly, on the next page, I have topic 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, the first thing that we'll see is let's just say that I want to insert a cover page for this specific document that I've created. Then in order to do so, I will need to come into the insert section or insert tab of Microsoft Word, and within that you will see a part which says pages. Within pages we have cover page, blank page and page break, and right now we first want to insert a cover page. So a cover page is something that you insert at the start of your document. So before this starts off, I want to insert a cover page. So let's just see. I will just have to firstly place my cursor at the start of this so that I can insert it before all of this content begins, and I can click on the drop down over here to explore the options of cover pages that are available. Microsoft Word offers a different variety of cover pages over here, which and you can pick and choose something that you like from here and go ahead with editing that further. Let's just say for our reference I'm picking something like this. So this allows me to type and edit it a little further, where I can add the document title over here, and I can add my name and company address if I want to, and these are the editable parts of this. So let me just go ahead and edit this right now. So I've just gone ahead and typed something that I want to for the cover page of this document. So in this manner you can go ahead and insert a cover page. If suppose you don't like the cover page that you have inserted, then you can click on remove the current cover page and it will be gone, or I'll just undo that, and any other cover pages that you want to pick, you can go ahead and pick those as well. So this is how you can go ahead and insert your cover page for the beginning part of your document. Now coming to the inserting a blank page, let us say for example after the cover page, before my content begins, which is the actual topic itself begins, I want to insert a page which consists of a table of contents. Now in order to insert a page with a table of contents, page 1 consists of my cover page and I want page 2 to have a table of contents. But right now on page 2 my content has actually started. One way to create a blank page over here would be to keep clicking on enter on your keyboard, but this is going to be a time consuming process. However, the another way to insert a blank page between two pages is to insert a blank page over here. So if I just keep my cursor wherever I want the blank page to be inserted, then if I keep my cursor over there and just click on blank page, there will be a blank page that will be inserted between the point where your cursor is placed and the last point. So I'm just going to insert that, and you will notice that there is a cover page now, and I've inserted a blank page in between, and after that my content begins. So I can go ahead and insert my table of contents over here right now. Now coming to understanding the concept of a page break, we can notice over here that my topic 1 is starting on this page and it ends on this page. Topic 2 is starting on another page, and 3 is starting on a fresh page, and 4 is starting on a fresh page, and so on and so forth. Now what happens over here is, if this is how I want it, if I want every topic to start on a brand new page, what happens over here is right now 2 is starting on a brand new page, but for some reason if I figure out that I need to add some more content in topic 1 and I start typing some content over here, what you will notice is that each time you enter content on page 1, the position of the topic 2 keeps shifting because I'm clicking on enter. This is happening because we have not inserted any page break as such, and we have not conveyed to Microsoft Word that I want this topic 2 to always begin on a new page. So for us to be able to explain that to Microsoft Word, that I want every single topic to begin on a brand new page, is the reason why we use the concept of a page break. Now what happens when we use a page break is that if I place my cursor over here and I insert a page break at this point, what happens is, irrespective of what content I keep adding over here, it will ensure that this topic 2 will always start on a brand new page, and we will just go ahead and do that and see. And before we insert a page break, we need to remember that we should always keep our cursor exactly at the point where we want the topic to begin, always onto a new page. So I'll keep my cursor over here and I'll insert a page break. So what happens when we insert a page break is that now topic 2 is always going to start on a brand new page. Yes, a new page got inserted over here right now, but because we have pressed enter on the end of page which consists of topic 1, so if we just go ahead and remove this extra spaces, it's going to come back. But however, if there is some need for me to type in some additional content on the page 1 and I go on adding new content, what happens is that at this point the topic 2 does not just get shifted in its place, but what happens is it gets shifted altogether onto a new page. So this ensures that even if there is some additional content that needs to go ahead and be added inside of section 1, that content can be added without making the topic 2 move from its place, and while ensuring that topic 2 will always start on a brand new page even if it needs to move on to another page. But this ensures that topic 2 will always begin on a brand new page. And we can just go ahead and do the same thing for all the other topics as well. Like topic 3, you can place your cursor over there and insert a page break. And if there is a blank page that comes after inserting a page break, all you need to do is go ahead and remove any extra content or extra blank spaces that are present on the previous page, and you'll notice that the topic 3 comes back and there is no blank page right now. However, after topic 2, if you do end up having to enter or type some other additional content, you will notice that the topic 3 will eventually move and switch to the next page, and a blank page will get inserted over here so that you can finish topic 2 within this page and move on to topic 3. So in this manner you can go ahead and insert your cover page, blank page, and make use of page breaks. And the way for you to remember or recall where you have inserted your page breaks is that you can come into the home tab and click on this Pilcrow button, and once you turn it on, you will notice that the P symbol is the point where every paragraph ends. And if wherever you have inserted a page break, you will be able to see that it says dot 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 page break. So this is the way for you to go back and search as to where all you have inserted page breaks in case you don't remember. So yeah, go ahead and give it a try to insert your own cover page, blank page, and use page breaks to ensure that every topic starts on a brand new page. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comment section. I'll try and help you out. Thank you so much everyone for watching this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.